continue to support it. My name is Melody Hubbard Robinson, and I am the founder of Fierce Fearless Free Women Empowerment Movement. I'm a mentor, I'm a motivational speaker. I am the proud author of No Bad Bitches Allowed, which is a female empowerment book for young girls, elementary, middle school, high school. So don't let the name fool you. It truly is a positive book for girls and women of all ages. So thank you so much for just receiving me. So as a motivational speaker, my task is to get up here to inspire you, to motivate you, to pump you up. But as I was sitting in my seat and I experienced this event tonight, I had an opportunity to just listen to the words around me. I had an opportunity to have some conversations. I listened to the words from the spiritual dancer that we had earlier on tonight. I had an opportunity to listen to a couple stories, not just stories, but survivor stories. So you truly uplifted, empowered, inspired, and motivated me from your courage and your bravery. So I don't really need to get up here and do anything. You've experienced it throughout the night. The atmosphere has already been activated. So if it's okay with you, I think it's just true power in words. I think it's true power in the things that we speak. I think once you start speaking some things, declaring some things, you visualize some things, and your faith attaches to it, then you start seeing some things show up. See, I heard that when 2 or 3 touch and agree, some power is in the midst. And if you look around, it's more than 2 or 3 people in the room for a common cause, for a common purpose. So I know that we can make some powerful things happen. So if it's okay with you, I'm going to declare and decree some things tonight. See, I declare and decree healing. I declare and decree that you will have courage. I declare and decree that you will have the support that you need in your daily walk in life. I declare and decree that researchers and doctors will come up with new treatments. I declare and decree not only will they come up with new treatments, that they're going to come up with a cure. I declare and decree that it's already done, not now, but right now. So if you truly declare some things for me tonight, turn to the person on your left and tell them it's already done. If you really feel me tonight, turn to the person on your right and tell them it's already done. But if you truly declare and decree and you believe that it's going to show up, point to somebody on the other side of the room and say it's done, not now, but right now. That's it. It is so. It is so. See, what you got to understand, you didn't show up here by accident. You didn't just stumble across this community center at 6 o'clock and just so happen to be a fashion show. You're here by divine assignment, by divine appointment. See, there were some people that were supposed to come tonight that didn't show up. There were some vendors that said they were going to participate and they're not here. There were some fashion boutiques that said they're going to participate, give you some clothes, and they didn't come through. But you showed up. And because you showed up, because all of you are here by divine assignment to meet some divine people and make some divine connections, you're going to see some unexpected blessings show up for you. You're going to receive some good news. You're going to receive a good report because you showed up and you were obedient to where you were supposed to be. Some supernatural strength is going to show up for you. See, excuse me, I really don't mean to sound churchy, but the church is in me, so it just shows up. So, when you leave here, I want you to be of good courage. When you walk out of here, I want you to be of good cheer. And when you go about your daily life, I want you to